Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 76 algorithm video. In this task we are given a string. We need to reverse the string without reversing the individual words, and the words are separated by dots. So for example, our string is I like this program very much. Our output is much very program this like I. So how do we get this output? First you need to convert the string into a list. I would make a variable of list string. A wrong approach would be to use the list function. Let me explain why. Because if we use the list function, we get this kind of output, but this is not the output that we would want. Because the list function converts the string into a list of characters, not words. So we would be using the split function. String dot split. We would mention the delimiter here. Here the delimiter would be dot. So yes, we have gotten our list. I like this program very much. So the split method in Python is used to break the string into substrings based on a specified delimiter. Now that we have gotten a list, we need to reverse this list. Reversed list. We would be using indexing colon -1. If I print reversed list, so we have reversed the list by using indexing. The start point is not mentioned. It meant that we should start the indexing from the start of the list, and the end is also not mentioned. That means that we should index till the end of the list, and -1 means that we should reverse the list. Now that we have gotten our reversed list, let's convert the list back into a string. For converting the string back into a list, we will be using the join function. Reversed string is equal to, we would mention the delimiter. Here the delimiter would be a dot join reversed list. So what does the join function do? The join function in Python is used to convert elements of an iterable such as a list or a tuple into a string, and the string would be separated by a delimiter, and we have mentioned that the delimiter here would be a dot. So when I print reverse string, so much very program this like I is the output, and this is the correct output that we wanted, as I have shown in line number 6. Now if I change the string to I like chocolate, our output should be chocolate dot like dot I. Now if I click play, and yes, we have successfully reversed the string without reversing the individual words, and the words are separated by dots. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.